Mi gente, man, today's just one of those days. It's hard being Louis the Baller Man. Let me explain.
Yo, Louis, what happened, Louis?
Oh, bro, it's fucking, it's not one thing or another, bro. Just one of those days, man. A job that's supposed to be a fucking an hour job turned into a freaking 8-hour fucking fiasco. Where you come and heading back to the shop, and guess what? The truck breaks down. But people don't fucking realize they can't teach this shit in school. I can't make this shit up. Wepa.
8 hours earlier.
All right, man.
I mean, guys, look at my face. My face is shining, baby. It's shining like a star. How the hell I was supposed to know what was going to happen
Right now, we're
today?
picking up some material. Now we're going to go all the way to Queens and Fresh Metal to be exact. That's just what it takes to be in business, specifically in the plumbing or the HVAC business. So, guys, stay tuned. Wepa.
And it's just another day here, doing another leaking steam pipe here with Louis the Baller Man, the Hvac happy. Guys, I gotta tell you, man, this job was easy, pleasy. I mean, let me tell you, talk about laying the pipe. I'm laying the pipe, baby, because I'm the king of piping. Well, we got that job in exactly the right time because we got it done within, I would say, within 2-3 hours. We got it done within an hour and a half, guys. That's right, hour and a half. Listen, guys, I always take care of my good clients. So she asked me,
Louis, while you and the guys are here fixing the steam pipe, the leaking steam pipe, can you and you guys take care of a leaking faucet for me?
and I said, of course I can. Not knowing that was the beginning of what's going to happen in that crazy day of mine.
Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man.
Now look at these burras. These two burras not knowing what the hell is going on. And I'm saying to myself, yo, this is easy. It's not the first time I've done this. I mean, look at it. It's just a simple P-trap. A P-trap. Come on, man. My little sister could do this. I mean, she could do this shit in her sleep. I mean, so I said, to hell with it. Let's do it. And boy, man, when I tell you, I was in for a rude awakening. The freaking nipples are coming off. The collar is leaking. I get the Chinese water torture coming down my face. I'm freaking trying to take off this screw. It's just not coming off. So I gotta pull the guns and I gotta say, all right, the hell with it, we're gonna cut it out. But I'm cutting and cutting, and you know when you got that evil eye, you got like Dr. Evil, because I feel bad for the lady because she's looking at me like,
all right, Louis, it's getting closer to dinner time.
And I'm like, Abuelita, no problem. I'm gonna get it done. Just give me 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Turn into another 5 more minutes. 5 turn into 10. 10 into 15. 10 into an hour. I'm like, holy shit! I cannot believe I'm doing this. I can't believe this shit's happening to me, man. I'm telling you, talk about training. I never was trained to deal with this bullshit because they can't teach you shit in school. But guys, I still had to get the mission accomplished. So Abuelita's looking at me, and you know that Abuelita, that stare, that means like,
Mijo,
move your ass. So you better believe we're moving our asses, guys. So it's getting closer and closer to 7, now 8, now 9. Now here we go. And you people must be saying, Louis, it's just a P-trap. I know, guys, I'm telling you, but this wasn't just any ordinary P-trap because everything that could go wrong was going wrong.
Are you cold? It's Louis the Boiler Man. I came to bring the fire.
I took out the saucer blade. The saucer blade wasn't sharp enough, or it was an old saucer blade. I'm trying to take off the nipple. It don't want to come off. I'm cutting, and it's brittle. It's just, I'm telling you guys, if it had that job that everything that could go wrong was going wrong no matter what, I mean, come on, guys. I mean, we're in the plumbing business, right? What's a P-trap? That's what I said, too. But now that we got the nipple off, now, okay, I say, Carlos, stay right here. I'm going to go downstairs. How about Kevin? So as I'm going downstairs, he's putting all the P-traps together.
All I want to do is hit it. Your boiler's too clunky and it won't light. It doesn't matter again.
I'm going downstairs, making sure everything's good, just the way Abuelita wants it. And guess what? Carlos is calling me. Louis. I'm like, all right, give me a minute. I get upset. What's going on?
I tell you, listen, we have a problem.
I said, what do you mean we have a problem?
We have a problem because the strainer we got, that's the right strainer.
I said, what are you talking about? Make this shit fucking work, bro. And you know,
No, I'm serious. I'm telling you.
like, come on. And sure enough, I go inside, I go under, I start putting it together. I'm like, damn, son of a bitch. He's right. I gotta go to a Home Depot run. So what do you think it's gonna be? Yeah, it's gonna be another long night, guys.
Come up, walk up to the camera and say something like Home Depot for parts or something funny, whatever you could think of.
We grinding, baby. Home Depot, 9 o'clock at night. What are you gonna do? Wepa.
Nice.
So we doing literally like the Mission Impossible, like that. Dun 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 dun. Here I go, boom. I'm in Home Depot. Bam. I'm over there, Home Depot in the aisle. You know what I need? I'm looking for the strainer. Boom. I'm out of there. But guys, when I tell you, I'm looking at the time, it's just getting late and later. And of course, you guys all know as entrepreneurs and bosses, as late as it gets, that's another hour, another 2 hours, and that's another hour you're gonna pay another 2 hours. So I gotta keep it real with you. It's part of the business, but the point is, I still gotta get the job done. I'm just getting back right now for the Home Depot run, guys. I'm going to Carlos. Here's use the parts. Let's get it going. So I say, Carlos, listen, let's get it done. So we're going up in there, getting grinding, and we working, baby. And as we're working downstairs, I got my boy Kevin downstairs putting Abuelita's library together and making it nice and neat, just the way Abuelita likes it.
Louis, 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 Louis. Oh, I'm the border man. Oh, I'm the border man. Louis, 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 Louis.
And guys, another world job done by Louis the Borderman, the HVAC Papi, and his team. Guys, it's done. It's a wrap. Wow, what a day. Something that's supposed to be so damn easy took us so damn long to do. But guess what? The most important thing is Abuelita is happy. What to that?
I'm the border man. Oh, I'm the border man.
Guys, just as I thought the day was about to be a wrap, I said it was over. But guys, there's more. I can't make this shit up. Guys, as we're going down on a 678, which is the Van Wyck Expressway, then we jump on the LIE. My guy's calling me, telling me,
No, we have a problem.
I was like, what do you mean we got a problem?
He's like, no, the truck is acting up.
I'm like, my man, just keep pedaling, keep pushing, put your foot on the metal, baby, keep going. And he's like, no, I gotta go. Listen, bro, I do not want to pay a tow truck in the middle of the fucking highway. So just keep pushing, put your foot down, and be a man. Come on, grab your balls, baby. Just go, keep going.
Yo, Louis, what happened, Louis?
Oh, bro, it's fucking, yo, it's not one thing or another, bro. Just one of those days, man. We doing plumbing. A job that's supposed to be a fucking an hour job turned into a freaking 8-hour fucking fiasco. We going heading back to the shop, and guess what? The truck breaks down, but it's all right, man. We working, we grinding, we gotta make this shit happen. And listen, that's what entrepreneurs about. That's what it is. This is what people don't fucking realize. They can't teach this shit in school. I can't make this shit up. Wepa.
Oh, I'm the border man.
And brother, he calls me back in 5 minutes. I'm like, what's the problem?
Really, I'm telling you, I'm not making this up. I'm playing with you. I'm telling you that the brakes is not working correctly. And guess what? The truck keeps shutting off.
I'm like, you kidding me, bro? All right. And then, you know, if the truck, of course, shuts off. He's pulling onto the shoulder. And I'm like, bro, come on, keep going. Because, guys, in case you didn't know, here in New York, if you're not off the highway, you gotta call a special tow truck to tow your truck, and usually costs double or triple the price. So I'm like, nah, bro, keep fucking do what you gotta do. Please just make it. Like you know, like the little fucking the turtles just making it. Guys, listen, the Capitan had to jump in the hot seat and take over, and that's exactly what I did. The HVAC Papi, Louis the Boiler Man, had to jump in the hot seat, go back to the shop, and guys, we finally made it. That's right. We made it at 1 a.m. in the morning. Great news, guys. Louis the Boilerman finally made it to the shop. That's right, guys. Not only did I made it to the shop at 1 a.m., I didn't have to pay for a tow truck. We'll get back to that.